In this video, I want to show you how to solve a problem involving elastic potential energy. So we have an individual trampoline spring that has a force constant of 4,250 newtons per meter. A force constant is the same thing as a spring constant. In one instance, the spring gets stretched 30.0 centimeters from its equilibrium position. How much elastic potential energy is stored in the spring in this moment? So let's say we have our spring here that this is its equilibrium position, and then that spring gets stretched beyond its normal equilibrium. So I like to draw the picture like this to show this is where it was and this is where it is now. And so there's a stretch that happens here. We'll call that x for the distance. And we know that that distance is 30 centimeters, 30.0 centimeters. To find the elastic potential energy, we're going to use this equation here. So the elastic potential energy is 1/2 times k times x squared, where k is the spring constant, or also called the force constant. So we were given in the equation, in the word problem, that the spring constant is 4,250 newtons per meter of stretching. Okay, so using that, we can solve our problem already. We have all the things we need. The only problem is we have our distance here in centimeters. And we need to make sure that in order to have joules for our potential energy, we convert everything into standard scientific units. This needs to be in meters. So we're going to divide by 100. That'll give us a distance of 0.300 meters. So elastic potential energy over here, we will say 1/2 times k, 4,250 newtons per meter, times the distance squared, 0.3 meters squared. So we put that into our calculator. I'm going to do the square part first so that I don't forget it. So I'm just going to rewrite the rest of this for now. It's always easy to forget to do that square. So this gives us 0.09. Okay, we're going to multiply that by our spring constant and also by 1/2. I'll go ahead and do that as well. So our potential energy that gets stored in the spring is going to be 191 joules. I'm rounding to 3 significant figures there. So that's all I've got for you in this video. Remember, habit is the battleground of character.